Morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Training day today. Today is 24th. Wow. We're just flying along. Monday. Let's go. Live transfer open. Yep, that'll work. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get these tags put in. Setting up my, you're currently watching a US 30 playback. Of the, oh shit, hold on. I gotta put another buy in. This current one. And then first buy was issued here. Second buy you just saw right here. We're dealing with US 30. This is the safety trade system playback right here. Pretty straightforward through TradingView. Cannot wait. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This time next week, Bree and I, my wife and I, will be in change YouTube. St. John, St. Thomas for a week. Holy crap, that's exciting. Change. I figure you guys watching this will give you something to watch while I set up the channel, so I'm going to try to do that from now on. Okay, I think we're live on TikTok, and I think we're now live on YouTube. Let's see, we'll see if anybody's here this morning. How exciting. Monday morning, thank you God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for another day of, another buy. Another day of, so each time one of these lines are hit, that's a buy. Yes, people are on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Let me see if I can get a little different view there. There we go. Is it turned wrong? No, it looked pretty good. There's your little thingy. Good morning, Mike Mahoyan. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? What's up, Chance Kearns? Oh. Have to contact Pete. All right, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Adam, John Lemurio. Hold on. Got to get things set up. Mike Galinsky is my motivation to get back to doing cardio hard. I forgot, how many miles have you walked, Glow, since you started your walking journey? It was crazy amount of there you go. Perfect timing. Look, I'm done. It's done. There you go. Profit, win rate. Most important thing is the win rate. You can put any amount you want in here. I don't give a shit. Do 1, do 100, whatever you're doing. Nice. 1, 2, 3 buys. There you go. And that's US 30. Oh, We got a lot more people say good morning. So let me get going here. Good morning, Adam, John Lamiro. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Mike Mahoyhan. Thank you for being on TikTok and YouTube, everybody. What's up, Michael, a.k.a. Big Pippin? Good morning. It is a fantastic Monday. Good morning, John's at 808. Money. Today is Money Monday. John's 808. Good morning, David B. Good morning, Nathan Horner. Good morning, Mr. C. What's up, Mr. C? Good morning, Anthony. What's up, Tony? What's up, Golden Cindy? Good morning. 1,911 miles walked since August. Mike Linsky said, holy shit, Mike. Holy shit, Mike. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Mr. C. M 15-minute goal stop. I'll look at that first thing. Congratulations, Mr. C. Starting his week off great. A few more thumbs up on YouTube would be great. Appreciate it. All right. Before we get started on gold and everything and I get carried away, let's pull up we are, as far as I'm aware, the one and only United States of America trademarked from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the Safe Trade System, and all of the indicators. This is an actual registered trademark enforceable by law. Anyone thinks they're going to go around taking something from me has another thing coming. I will sue you and sue the shit out of you. And I have the resources to, so don't press it. One silly person in Chicago, lady, decided she was going to do something silly, and she paid the price. Holds up in a court of law, trust me. This is me. This is the system. We are class 41. Pause this for a minute. Class 41 trademark, coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock market trading. You could read the rest on your own. Look at that. Issued from, I might move it over a little. There we go. Whoever this lady is, Catherine Kelly Vidal, Director of the United States Patent and Trademark. Oh, that's who she is. And that's us. Okay. Additionally, I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with this channel a financial advisor. We do have several. We were at a dozen like a year ago, people that were financial advisors about the system, but I'm not one of them. I'm not qualified to do shit. Pauses at your leisure, read the whole thing over. I'm a social media influencer. I have a cool YouTube store. The merchandise is fantastic. Always remember you're an adult. Make your own damn decisions. All right. Type yes if you understand that this is a legally protected, NDA protected, patent pending, and trademark issued trading system. Thank you, Larry. You already typed it, I think, before I asked. I'm collecting on Bitcoin. Nice, Larry. We'll have to look at Bitcoin. Congratulations. Larry likes those cryptos. Morning, Kelly McMahon. All right. So one of our members, Mr. C, said there was a 15-minute sell stop somewhere. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's one right here. Simple little thing. How did he know this was a sell stop? Because the Bible tells so. Watch. Everybody knows the routine, but let's go over it. Right here. Inside of here, red, 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 green, red, red. This pattern says it's going to go down, and it did go down. Does it look like it went down much? No. It's 15 minutes, not a bad one. You could hit a guy in right here. 23 27, $6 an ounce he already made on that trade, at least, probably more. This red line is your entry, or yellow. Sell. This is a perfect one, but it goes right between the blue like this. This is a perfect sell. All right, let's read gold right now. Let's see what we got. Gold, 15-minute sell stop. Thanks to Mr. C. Thank you, sir. Gold, 15-minute sell stop to its 1 hour blue line. 15-minute sell stop to its 1 hour blue line. It's going to come down, hit this blue line. Kind of already did. Definitely did. Already did its ricochet. I still think it's going to finish that movement. Let me see something real quick. So if you can recognize patterns, you'll see this easily. Let me see our faster time frames where we're at. Sell once, sell twice, sell. 15-second sell. 15-second, 30-second sell. Was a 1 minute sell. 3 minute. This is gold, Oanda. Let's see. Forming a gold. 15-second through 15-minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. Forming a 2 hour buy stop, gold. Forming a daily buy, 12 hour, no, daily, weekly buy, gold. Let's flip on our daily one here if I can. Sometimes they work automatically, sometimes they don't. Hourly, negative. Hold on 1 second. You can't pull that, really? Let's see what we say. Let's see if we can pop this in. Okay, let me see if I can pop this one out. Really? Sons of bitches, I swear. TradingView is a okay platform, but man, they are just not, none of them really. Hold on a sec. We're going to go ahead and pop off something here. All these indicators you're looking at have been created by myself and Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. Please pray for him. He's got some travels coming up today. He's had a fantastic birthday weekend, though. All right, let's see. To get to the few that we actually use, which, by the way, I have to go over here. 6-11. Weekly, daily. 6-9. No. No. Developmental. Yeah, you have to really update these. No, not those. Let's see if any of these pop. Oh, geez. Okay, now we got too many. Hold on. as plainly be seen, we're in a weekly buy it's calling for. So for gold, let me be clear on this. I would play, this is the sniper add-on, $150 a month. You do not need it. It helps solve your entry problems that people have with the system. So we'll go over that in a minute. Thank you, Adam. Hey, host P. Yeah, we'll look at NAS. Good morning, hey, host. Good morning, Steve. So, easiest call ever. Just like it did here, week one is always the best. Again, I will put my week one signals, W1, D1s against any other trader in the world. I've been saying that I'll trade against any other trader in the world for years now, but I'm not trading against anyone. I'll put my signal service against any other trader in the world. Tell your friends, tell people out there who say they can trade, have them come on. They make their live call outs and I'll make my live call outs. Here's one for you right now. When my machine gun signals call this on the weekly, which is what this is doing right now, W2, anytime this changes, I will take the trade and win. It's called a W1D1. This will be absolutely a win. So I would look for any buy stop, any time frame from 15-second to daily. When you see a buy stop on gold, take a demo trade only until this purple line comes up and hits this blue line. I already did it once. First time is the best. When this comes up, take any 15-second through daily buy stop. That is my call. That is what I wrote out. We're already in the money once, twice, 3 times. We'll be waiting further on this. If this doesn't come up to the blue line, perfectly fine, no problem. We'll play the sells later on. There it is. Is this clear to everyone? 7s, if this is clear. Now into the minutia, into the fine details. You're going to notice that when I trade, I don't trade scared. I don't trade could have, would have, should have. I don't trade with maybes. I tell you what's going to happen. I wait for it to happen. You make your moves and you make money. How's NAS looking today? 2-hour buy stops. Yeah, I saw your question over on TikTok. Jesus, we'll get there. Jesus thinks he's onto something over there. Oh, it didn't go up. Yeah, you already could have made your money and got out of the trade once. And 2 hours take fucking a week, 3 days, 2 days, month to develop if it wants to. We're talking about gold right now. Stick with the conversation. If you can't, go ahead and leave. All right, gold. That is what I'm calling for it. Doesn't mean there isn't a sell. I just called a 15-minute sell. You know how many fucking ups and downs there's going to be in the daily buy? A weekly daily buy. The first time I ever called it was on oil 2 years ago, June. I called to go down, oil to go down to its blue line on the daily. It took 6 months for the trade to happen. 6 fucking months for a trade to develop. I seriously doubt it'll be that long on gold, but it can be. Good morning, Ore. What's up, Raider Trader? Good morning, Eric. All right. So that is gold. Again, first time, best time. Technically, this is the first time. This is a daily buy stop, which we don't have the new code that Keith did, which I'll have to get. I wonder if I can go into my thing and find that real quick and add it to the charts. Let's see. Oh, Precious probably put it away already. Aha. I think I got it. Hold on, let me grab this code. Wow. Keith. Let me see here. See if I can grab this code. Give me just 1 second here. I'm going to try to update the code. It's been updated to call the daily ones. So let me grab it over here real quick. Da 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 da. All right. People are so fucking funny in this world. New indicator. Let's drop in the script. Let's go ahead and rename it back to where it needs to be renamed to. All right, so this is not that. What is today's date we said? 6/24. I think that's going to be the new. Sorry, guys, give me a sec. Well, I'm not getting anywhere with this. I guess we'll have to call it quits on that. Damn. Oh, well. And that's why I pay Keith. Keith is the man. I can do it, but walking on a treadmill doing it's not going to be occurring anytime soon. All right, let's get back to what we were doing. Sorry. All right, so that's gold. We're done with gold. Damn. Let me make a note on that. Update gold. No, update. Update. Weekly. Daily. Code. Got it. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, Greg. Good morning, George. Thank you for being on both, Greg. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Valdis. Good morning, Hayden. All right. Da, 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 da. So we're done with gold. All right, let's head over to US 30 and those guys for a split second. Let me turn this off real quick. Ooh. All right. Let's see what we see right inside of here. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Looks like we have some switches. Looks like NAS is a 15-second buy stop. I'd play any buy stop, 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute until NAS's green 5-minute blue line on NAS, SPX, and US 30. Let's verify what we're looking like. Any buy stop. So let's go down and see. This is US 30. We got to make sure we're not. Oh, okay. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. I'm going to change that. All right, US 30. 5 second, 10-second sell stop to the 10-second blue line of US 30. 5 second, 10-second, 15-second sell stop to the 10-second blue line of US 30. Forming a 1 minute buy stop US 30. 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop US 30. 5 minute buy stop US 30. 10 minute fill in the gap buy stop US 30. So US 30 has some real short term sells, it looks like at this point, forming our higher buys. Here's the 30-minute one. And here's my US 30 621 buy stop that was called out. So on 621, which was Friday, we called for a buy stop. From this line forward, we made here to here, you made 238 pips. 238 pips on US 30 buy that I called on Friday live. So Jesus out there who decides to pick NAS as a problem child, sure, go ahead. Ignore the fact that I fucking called US 30. Go ahead, Jesus. Go ahead. What's this call? Whatever. Swear to God, people are such fucking haters out there. Get over it. There it is. 15-minute, 30-minute. 1 hour fill in the gap. You can close down your US 30 buys if you'd like. Closing the gap on the and still, by the way, fuck this shit. US 30 is the one I told you was going to go up to its blue line, and it did on the 1 hour. 2 hour fill in the gap, closing right now as you speak. 3 hours closed. 4 hours already past it. Yeah, I would think a nice little reset is in order right here. Look at that. The last three call outs on US 30. Buy stop here. Buy stop there. Buy stop here. This is 617, I think it was. 620, 621. If you'd have listened to me on the last three buy stops on US 30, just so we're fucking clear, you'd have made 882 pips. Sevens, if you guys understand. Good morning, Damien. You'd have made 850 pips on the last three US 30 buy stops. All called out live. Some traded with you live. Larry Cooper says, I did listen. Nice, Larry. I think Larry's about the only one. No, I know some of you do. All right. So if we're clear on that subject, let's see what daily is first. Yeah, it's a daily, weekly buy too. Play any and all 15-second through daily buy stop. So this weekly pink line goes up to this blue line. We've already done it 3 times. Play any and all US 30 buy stops from 15-second to daily until this pink line goes up. You want me to draw it out for you? Let me draw it out for you because some of you are a little hard of hearing. So visual learners, right? Inside of here, we're going to have this pink line come up like this and touch this blue line right there. When it does, we're going to call all to close down all orders, demo orders, and close them down. There you go. And that's on US 30. Now, let's go over to NAS. People are such douches, I swear to God. Here's NAS. You can clearly see NAS is nearly at its top. It did it once. First time is the best. Second time is right here. So NAS is in what's called a daily, weekly buy stop, and now the daily line is hooking. If it comes back down to here, we'll call another buy again. It's going to come down, hook, and come back up. You're welcome, Damien. So see, there's a difference here between NAS and US 30. The difference is this. US 30 hasn't gone up and touched this blue line right here on the Sniper $150 a month add-on. NAS has almost done it. Now you should have closed down one of your trades already. All of this from here to here as it's going up called out multiple. You want me to show you how many trades was fucking called out on NAS as a buy? Let's go over it. There's your buys. Not sure this is the right one. I don't think this is the right one. Damn, I gotta get the right codes up in here. And where's the other one? Oh. Hold on. Let me go back here again. I swear. Keith, really, we have to narrow this down. We have entirely too many. Weekly, daily. No, definitely not that. We could try this one. I just don't think that's going to be the right one. No, that's just machine guns. Nope, not those. Development. Here we go. 620. See, this or this is probably this one. It's not 6.6 then. All right, hold on. Close that. Close this one. Let's close this one. Let me see the settings on this one. Yeah, those are the lower time frames, but it shouldn't be by itself. Yeah, those are lower time. So let's take this one off too. We'll leave this one on. Now, where is our regular? Dun, 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 dun. Developmental. Hydra 2.0, 1 hour. No. Testing. Yeah, these are the ones. Freedom Daily. Yeah, this would be the one. Testing. All right. These should be calling. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let me ditch this one. Shrink that one. Shrink this one. Okay. Where were we? I think we're on NAS. All right, here we go. NAS. Yeah, NAS weekly, daily called out perfectly. Daily, there you go. This is your NAS. Daily, weekly, 5-minute. So it looks like the last signal that was called was on a 5-minute chart. Let's go back down to that, see if we can find it. All right, here you go. All right. All right, so these are the last signals called. All called out. Yes, correct. So these 5-minute signals, if you're expecting a lot of movement from a 5-minute, it can happen. But if you can gather out 120 pips out of a NAS 5-minute signal call, these are all live signals sent to the signal rooms. Look at it. When Larry says they were all called out perfectly, they were all called out fucking perfectly. That's correct, Larry. All right, look at them all. Look at them all. This is your 5 minutes. Let's go down to the 1 hour and see what that looks like so you can see it a little clearer. Okay, now, this is what Jesus is talking about with a question. I'm sure he means it non-maliciously and he's not being a douchebag. So let's take a look. Let's zoom in, shall we? And it's still a 1 hour, so it's still a 2 hour buy stop. It's now turned into a 3 hour buy stop. It's now a 4 hour buy stop. You can clearly see that inside of here now. This is now turned red, green, 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 blue line low, buy stop. Exactly, I would move this down as I told you all to do, but I can't have the luxury of moving it down because I have probably 10 of these things open. I can't keep track of every one of them. Still calling it. Fucking 4 hour, 12 hour daily buy stop. And that's what I'm calling. Personally, it's a little far away on the weekly still, but it is what it is. Still a buy stop. So for a 4 hour buy stop to develop, it's going to take a little time. Let's go again back down to our 2 hour. And let's see what's happened. Okay. Here you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this out here. That's my line right there. Let's go ahead and say you entered in on my line right here, and you took it up to here. How many pips is this, everybody? How many pips is this right here? Anybody know how to read TradingView charts, pips? Because I don't know how to read that. And yes, I know they're points and blah, blah, blah. Don't give a shit. How many is that? I can't read it. How many pips is this right here calling out for? Da, 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 da. This right here. Thank you, Mike Moynihan. How many pips is that, everybody? Good morning, Jan Fly, this guy Flyowski. Anthony Atwood says 76. Mike Moynihan says 76. Jesus, where you at, Jesus? How many pips is this, Jesus? Thank you, Steve, 76. How many pips is this, Jesus? Don't get shy. Speak up. I'll wait for you. How many fucking pips is this? Da 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 da. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Annie Apple. Jesus, yo, bro, where you at? Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Anthony Atwood. That is you guys are all correct. Thank you, Mike Moynihan. Thank you, Annie Apple. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Greg. The correct answer is Anthony Atwood, Tony. It's certainly enough pips for me. It's 76 pips, even though it looks like absolute shit. I mean, it looks like it didn't make any pips. Where'd he go? Why did he ask on two different platforms about NAS? And when I'm going over NAS, he's quiet. Where is Jesus at? How many pips is it, Jesus? Go ahead. How many pips is it, Jesus? That's very good. The average, thank you, Mike. The average professional trader makes 10 pips in a day. on multiple trades, and if he's lucky. Only 64% of professional traders make money in a day. Out of those 64%, they're lucky to get to 10 pips in multiple trades in a day, all day. It's their job. We made 76 pips on the shittiest possible, not even done, and I couldn't even lower my NAS buy line in when I wanted to, and we still made over 70 pips. Is everyone out there, if a professional trader makes 10 pips in a day on multiple trades, and this trade would have yielded you 76 pips, over 70 pips, is this a winning trade or a losing trade? And we're not even done with the fucking trade yet. It takes days and hours and days and days and hours for a trade to develop. You're set for, yes, Tony. If you can make that in one trade and have balls enough, you're set for life, actually. So that's all I'm going to say. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Jan's saying it's 7%, 7 pips. Jan is correct. It's still a winning trade. I just don't want people to get confused on anything. What matters is, did you make money on a trade or did you not? Did you make money on a trade or did you not? And it drives me nuts. This is how this trade should have been played, Jan and everybody. Let's take a look. We called this on the 2 hour. We called it because it was red, 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 green on the 2 hour. We go to the 3 hour. It turned into a 3 hour red, 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 green. We go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour turns into a buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green. So watch. Your entry has to change. As the trade goes down, per our rules, if you want me to pull up the rules, let's go over to the rules. Re-enter, advanced option. Here you go, number 7. I'll go over this with training today. Always move your seller buy stop line up or down with the price candle movement. Keep the lines close to the red line, but not too close. Okay, so that is what happens. As the trade develops, it moves. So if we're now at a 4 hour buy stop, you can enter off the 4 hour. You can enter off the 7 hour, the 12 hour, or the daily. You can go up with your trades. If I prefer to go down, so you can enter off the 1 hour. Okay, you can enter off the 30-minute. You can enter off the 15-minute. You can enter off the 5-minute. Let's go back, by the way, to that day. 10-minute, because the last one that was called was a 5-minute buy. Where is it? What day was this? 19th. You could have put it right. Where is our line at? Hold on. Oh, it doesn't show? Hold on. Why is it not showing? Bottom right. Template. Fuck. Oh, visibility. Hold on. There we go. Why, that's not a second trade. Let me see. Let me go back. There it is. Okay. So my buy line. Hell, we can't even get a. There we go. Was here. Okay. If we come. Holy shit. I don't know how far back I'm going to have to go. Maybe 3 minutes. Where's the 21st? We really need to start putting in the 21st. I need to start putting in the time of the trade. But then if I start copying the trade, it kind of throws everything. Let's see. When was that called? That was at open. That would have been open. So 16:30. That would have been any time past 16:30. So here, because I left you guys in this trade. Look at Jan. correctly pointing out. So we'll go back to 1630 right here. All right. This is where I left you at. So the lowest point of the trade would have been somewhere in here. Could have caught the trade. Well, this is actually where the trade was called, here to here. So there's your number of pips on NAS on the buy, what you could have gotten, right? Which is 173 pips, which isn't 7 or 17. That's 173 pips on NAS. Did anyone catch? Did anyone do that? I have no clear idea if you guys did or did not do that. It is still a developing trade. Again, here's your two buy lines right here. First one is here. Does it say the date on that? Hold on. Hold on. I don't think it does. 1 hour buy, 621. No, the first buy, I don't know. This is off the 1 hour chart right here. We're up shit tons of pips on that one. Maybe Jan could be the only one to tell us the correct number. Hold on, right here. From here would have been the first hourly one that day to here. So that's like 110. I don't think it's 120. About 100, 110 pips up. That was the first one. That was, damn, I want to say that was the 20th or the 19th. I didn't write it down on that particular trade. Then the second one right here only produced, well, depending on your point of entry, you could have produced a fucking shit ton if you went down to the 5 minute level, or just that little wick right here. Just that little bit of a wick right here. So let's grab it right there to here. Now, if you got down to the minuscule level of the 5 minute, you could have grabbed in probably 80 to 100 pips. As it is, maybe 7 to 30 pips, depending on your point of entry, exact time frame of when you went in at. Because again, you guys have the luxury of following it, going down with it as it goes down, which you should have done, and caught the 5 minute buys, caught the 3 minute buys, caught the 1 minute buys. I do not. I didn't adjust this as it went down, so it's up a little higher than I would like. And if you go down and down and down, right, and down, 30 minute, 15 minute, $10 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, and then we have to go back. Oh, Lord. Shit. All right. See, now these are your buy stops on the 1 minute level. And I didn't have the option to do this. This is probably a 3. Hold on. This might need to be a 3 minute. Hold on. No, we're going to have to go even further. Here we go. All right. So to the 30-second level, buy stop to the blue line. Buy stop to the blue line. So technically, you could have caught the trade either here or here and taken those pips that was called. Buy stop to the blue line. 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 Buy stop, buy stop. So you could have taken that that NAS 100 trade from here to here on the 30-second or 1 minute buys. This would have been your first one here to here for 122 pips. You absolutely could have and should have taken it from here to here for like 80, 90, 100 pips. You absolutely could have and should have taken it. Again, by the way, you'd add all these trades up if you're taking the trades here to here, 20, 30 pips. Look at the number of times it does it. Let me try to pull this up for you. Look, green, 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 red, buy, stop to the blue line. Green, 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 red, buy, stop to the blue line. Green, 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 red, buy, stop to the blue line. Green, 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 red, just the buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Well, broken back, buy stop to the blue line. So you're going to take in all these trades over and over again, starting with the first one. You guys understand what this is, the full one, but definitely this one. Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, hell, 7. So you're going to take in 5 or 6 or 6 or 7 30-second buy stops. If you don't like the 30 seconds, you could have went to the 1 minute. Look right here. This would have been the time of the trade called right before open. It's probably right after open, to be honest with you, but whatever. This is the first time I would enter, but you guys would have solved this one. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Right here to here. I don't know, 70 pips, 76, whatever. 70 pips, pop, pop, straight up, look. Good morning, John. A buy stop again 1 minute. A buy stop again 1 minute to the blue line. A buy stop again 1 minute to the 1 minute blue line. And these are perfectly fine trades to take. 30 seconds, I get it a little bit, fast. Buy stop again once, twice, 3 times, 4 times on the 1 minute. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Technically, you could have taken this one too, so 5, but whatever. So you're going to re-enter the trade on the 1 minute level 5 times, on the 30-second level up to 6 times, and you could have re-entered these trades over and over again for NAS. So this is our lowest point. From here to here would have been how many? Yeah, probably somewhere in the range of that 180 to 107, somewhere in that range. And it's not done, just so we're clear. So now let's go back down. Well, hell, fuck that. Let's go back up and show you just how gorgeous is that right there. Show you what's going to happen next. And this is why US 30 is a better buy than NAS. US 30 is a better buy than NAS and SPX at the moment. Doesn't mean they're not going to go up. What it means is this pink line on NAS is almost touching. It's super close. We already have the fill in the gap. Purple line's already near to the top. It has more room, but as a general rule, I'd be real leery right there. Look at US 30. Pink line's all the way to the bottom. Fill in the gap still hasn't finished. So US 30 is a better buy stop than NAS. Again, not saying US 30 won't go down, NAS will go up. I don't give a fuck. I'm just calling it the way it is. And you should have played, and SPX is exactly the same thing, doesn't matter. SPX is the exact same thing as NAS. They never change. But US 30 is lagging behind. That's why you see it went up so hard on Friday. And again, I think today actually went up. So there's a difference. There's your difference. Right inside of here. Look right inside of here. Pink line low, pink line high. Blue line high, pink line low. Watch. Hope you guys all see that. Morning, David. Morning, Johan. How many times can I buy this? Whenever the system calls for it, David. It's any 1,000 different stocks. This happens to be an indice. It's NAS 100. We've already called out gold, US 30, and now we're on NAS 100. I'll be doing ERUSD, XRP, Ethereum soon, GBP, JPY. Sorry if I'm getting in too much detail for some of you, but I have to be exact when we're talking about this stuff. Morning, Stefan. All right. So with this call right here coming up, watch what happens. Watch what happens. Let's mark a line here for you guys to see something. So my system will start calling out. Let's go ahead and make it big right here. Let's make it some wonky color, no whatever suspect is a color. Maybe the orange is a good color. We'll make it darker. We'll make it thicker. All right. So from this orange line up, we're going to watch how many buy stops were called automatically through the signal service following the rules. That's why haters now have such a hard time with the system, because if you follow the rules, you'll see the results. So let's go ahead and follow the rules, shall we? If I can get the right one turned on, let's see. Here we go. Yeah, this should work. Yep, let's see. Maybe. Let's go down to 2 hour. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So from this point forward right here, let's take a look. This is your orange line that I drew right here. This is from this point forward. This is the daily line that actually was automatically drawn through our signal service. This is your machine gun trade, matter of factly. This is your machine gun signal right here. And all these underneath here are your Hydra 2.0s. These two things make up your freedom indicator. So let's see. Green means buy, by the way. Green means buy, and red means sells. No, signal service works perfect on all signals, Tony. All signals. You just have to learn how to read them, that's all. 100% inaccurate, Anthony. 100% inaccurate, your statement. So here are these. All these are correct. All these are correct. And then from that point forward, actually, it's showing a daily that's been updated to show a buy. All right, shit. All right, Anthony. Since 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, signal was calling sell stop. Oh, fuck. It's going to be one of those mornings, isn't it? I almost didn't come on this morning. I was like, well, I'm going to be on later today after my training for advanced training at 2:15. Maybe I won't come on. All right. So we're looking at NAS. Since 11 p.m. What signals are you looking at, Tony? We'll go into the Discord and look. You're 100% wrong, and not even 50% wrong. All right. So let's see. I don't think there's any more call-outs here. That's Ethereum. We're 100% right on all those trades. Shit, 74 signals. Fuck me. Hold on. Let's go down and see. There's no fucking way the signal service called the wrong trade ever. You might have misinterpreted what it's saying incorrectly. I am on lower time frames. This is the hourly down to 5 minute. If you want me to go smaller than that, I can. SPX buy. Hold on. We're going to have to go backward. This is crazy. 74 fucking signals. Hold on. Can I just... Yeah, that's better. How do you get to the bottom of a chain here? This is crazy. 74 fucking signals. Is this a down? Update ready. Hell no, we ain't doing no update. All right. We have Google. We have GBBJPY, XRP, GBBJPY, XRP. Oh my God. Goodness. XRP. Wow. Is there a way to search inside of one of these things? XRP, USD CAD, UK 100. That's a new one we added in, was UK 100. Yay. GBBJPY, 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 GBBJ. Oh, UK. Gold. UK 100. UK 100. This is really taking entirely too much time. If you can go ahead and provide the room it was in and the time of the signal, perhaps I can go back and find it. Or I can just turn on the signal service and see 3 hour, 3 minute. 3 hour, 3 minute. There is no. You mean the hourly 3 minute? This is tier 3. It's not 3 hour, it's hourly. Oh shit, 50 of them. Fuck. 50 signals called on the hourly 3 minute, not the 3 minute, Anthony. It's not a 3 hour, I mean, sorry. What's up, Banner Video? Yeah, but if I search it, I think it's going to search. It's going to search the whole thing, which is what we do not want to have happen. Yeah, see, it's going back for all of them. No. Yeah, I figured the shirts would be kind of new, relevant. 3 results. So this is going back to 127. Not what we want. Fudgicles. Well, all right, anywho, we'll just go down. If it called the 1 hour, 3 minute, it's correct. NAS, sell, minute 1. 1443. Let's go to NAS, 1443. 32nd. What? 1443. Here it is. Anthony. It called it at 1443 here. All right, everybody. Just so we're clear, and there's no misunderstandings from anyone. 1443, which I wouldn't even take the trade. That's why you have the damn system. You have to verify things. But we're going to go ahead and pretend like you didn't follow the rules. And this was the first time it happened, even though it wasn't. Did it go down? Where are my little things at? From here. Let's double check to make sure we're on the. Yeah. Now you're only supposed to take the very first time the daily changes or the hourly changes on down. But let me, this is a guess right here, everybody. Work with me. From where my line is drawn, Anthony, did it go down? From where my line was drawn when it said sell stop, did it go down? Yes or no? You're welcome, Banner Video. Anthony, this is the trade. This is what it called. Did it go down from this line, yes or no? Hey, Larry. Good morning, Larry. I don't know if there's any news this morning. If there's big news, let me know. So when you said, let's be clear on this, because I don't want any shit spoken about my product ever fucking again, if I'm clear. You said, Anthony, after NAS dropped hardly, Signal was calling sell stop, but the whole night was reversed to a buy stop. Anthony, read your rules. The smaller time frame sells create the higher time frame buys. So it has to go down. Oh my God. Oh, how many times do I have to repeat the same thing? Do you even have, Anthony, if you have the system, please read your rules for the love of God. These have to. The 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes form. Literally go down and form your 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 12-hour daily buy stops. It's like 101. I've been teaching that every day for the last fucking 2 years. Wow. But the whole night. So you're 100% fucking wrong, Anthony, just so we're clear. This is the time period. It's dropping before your very eyes. There it goes down. And by the way, it's not an interesting product. It's a perfect product. Anthony's inability to read and use the system properly is the issue. Mine too. It's literally dropping before our eyes, and Anthony is telling me that the system is wrong. There's your call out. There's the drop. Whatever. Crazy as shit. No news, cool. Looks like it went to... Yes, Anthony. The freedom calls are perfect. Your interpretation of what you saw or read is incorrect. Let's go over this while we're at it, shall we? Let's just go ahead and do this again. Let's start from the bare bones beginning. We had a system. Let me be clear. We have a system. Let's go to maybe like a 1 hour. Here we go. All right. Look at this shit. This is when you should have been doing your buys. Since 11 p.m. calling for a sell. Anthony, you won't stop. I went to your time period you told me to do. There's a sell 3 minute. 1442, 1443. This is at 1438. Sell again, correct again. And that's not how you read the system anyways. It's not how you use the signals. Oh, fuck me. Let me go over. You're on the wrong time. Go to the rules. Oh, my God. Let's just go from the beginning. Some people are out of there. Look, that's not my time. Well, things don't run on your time, Anthony. They run on Forex time. And you have to do Athens plus 3. Am I over here? Yeah, here it is. Look, this is the only time that matters. Not my time, not your time, not the fucking time of Queen Elizabeth, but this time right here. This is your UTC plus 3. It's actually Athens plus 3. I swear to God, this is good. I'll just take everybody back to the beginning. Morning, Peter P. Where you been, brother? Why do you open UTC then? It's Athens. Yeah, Joanne. But it's not even he needs to convert it. He needs to fucking follow the most basic rules on earth. And I'm trying to be nice as humanly possible. It's in our rules what time period you're supposed to be on. It's in your fucking rules you're not supposed to be on Eastern Standard Time. This is incredible. I'm about to get really annoyed at this point and start slamming people. I'm trying desperately not to. But this is silliest shit I've ever seen. It's in the rules. I'm trying to find where I put it. That you use, I think it was the first, I think I'm in the other set of rules here. Hold on. That you use Athens time. Where the hell did I put it? Anyone want to go over the rules and find? Because I have 3 sets of rules. This is the latest rules for the, damn it. This is for the upcoming release of our freedom indicator, so I don't know if they're in this one yet. But I know our original rules have it absolutely. Here, how to do it. How to set TradingView. Could have swore it was right up here. Anywho, read over the rules, find it that it says it on there. It's always the same. I'm only on UTC +3. It's always Athens. You can't tell me what time I'm supposed to use, Anthony. You're completely back-asswards. You're completely wrong, bro. Sorry. Yeah, follow the rules, Anthony. I'm starting to feel bad for you. If you keep arguing, I'm going to have to ban you from the channel. At least take you out for a little bit. FOMC. Oh, nice. There's FOMC later today. Hopefully they'll give us a nice big drop and we'll hook back up into it. But all right, here we go. Let's just pause for a second on everything. Let's take a look. All right. So this is, let's just go back to the basics here so we're all on top of it. Oh, come on, I didn't say that. I'm saying go to 603 UTC signal. Oh, Anthony. Jesus, bro. I just showed you the latest signal and that it was correct. 6. Yeah, fuck it. It even says UTC +3 Athens time right fucking here. What the living fuck? Oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck time does this say? Is this, everyone out there, does this not say UTC +3? Athens? Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Okay, he's saying go back to 6. 1300. You really want me to go back to 6? A possible demo NAS 1 minute sell stop. 1319. 1316. Jesus. These signals are 100% accurate. If the 1 hour, now if they're not, because they're still being tested, and certain point, we'll change the 1 hour, but I'm telling you they're 100% accurate unless there is some misread on the 1 hour. They cannot miss, will not miss. They might not produce a lot of pips for you. They might not engage your trade, but that isn't the point. They are going to be correct. 10. I think he's trying to say it's 6 Athens time. He kept trying to say it was Eastern Standard Time, which is what that is kind of technically, but not what we're talking about. It has to be UTC 3. 740. 740. I can't believe I'm wasting this much time. Good thing there's no news this morning. I couldn't do it. 730. 100% accurate. I don't give two fucks of what anyone's trying to say. If the signal service are reading the 1 hour chart correctly, this will be the correct call. I don't give two fucks. Your only options are it won't engage the trade, or you didn't listen to the first signal. Because you're only allowed to enter market order on the first signal, Anthony. 626, 624, 619. Are we still on the same date? Yeah. 603. Here's a NAS. 603 NAS. Let's take a look. And then we're going to go ahead and open up the actual indicator. So he has to verify this is a sell stop in his little rules, blah, blah, blah. What was this one? 6031? 1 minute. 1400. 603. What the fuck is this whole fall down? Whoa. What is he talking about? This today? Look at all that. Holy shit. This is nuts. 603. Let's go back to here. Might be this one right here. Yeah, it's these ones right here. Yes, this was Excel, and it was a win. What the flying fuck? Including this one, which is probably, nope. Still this one? No. So 603. Let's go ahead and grab it and tag it. And then we have to go, where's my line? Then we have to go to our 1 hour to verify where we're at. Right here. And let's go, yeah. So he's saying he was calling for a sell all night and it went up. All right, let's just say for argument's sake, Anthony did an incorrect. Yes, you have to read the rules. No. Oh my God. All right, Tony, hold on, bro. I feel bad. Weekly, daily. Let's just go down to our, if I can find it. This is it, I believe. Okay. I don't know, again, if there's news today. Someone said there wasn't, so I guess we don't have to worry about anything. If there is any news, please don't play it. Please lock it out, okay? Now, what you have to understand, and let's be clear on something, the overruling things, we have to go to the 1 hour. This is very good. This is going to give us an explanation for everybody, I guess, so they can get a good idea of what's happening. All right, so we have to go here, and we have to go to the current where we're at. So let's take a look. All right, I'm going to have to mute him. Tony, I see that you're passionate about this. I appreciate that, Anthony, but you're not thinking clearly. You're just going to be put in a 10-minute timeout. You can just sit there and relax. All right. Now, look. He's getting so upset about it. It's insane. Look. This is what's happening so that Anthony can get a really good idea of what's happening here, okay? The very first time, okay, let's be clear. You know what? I want to take him out of timeout. If you could just be quiet for a second. Hold on. Can I not put him in timeout? Oh, I can't take him back out. Fuck. All right, Cyanide Predator, here we go. Because I think there's a whole bunch of issues here going on. Number one, Anthony doesn't have an open mind right now. He's too upset and pissed about things. He can't think clearly. All right, number two. Here's the rules. All right, sevens, this is crazy I have to do this. Sevens, if everyone understands, this is the quote-unquote signal that Anthony is saying was incorrect and wrong, and it called a sell stop. It's not a sell stop. This is the line. This is at 6:03 Forex time. Does everybody understand that? Sevens for yeses, nines for nos. So this is the trade we're talking about. Wow. This is embarrassing. This is why it's brand new and why I'm being a little more patient than I would. Number one, if you entered that trade, which you shouldn't have, you'd have still made money because it's lower than where it was. Period. Pete, we got to get together. I sort of got in here from the whole weekend. Hope you're having a good time. Correct. But watch. That's not the obvious thing, Gladex. Good morning, Gladex. This is the obvious thing. This is your first time the blue line comes down low. This is the first time the pink line comes up high. The only way you're allowed to take a trade on market order is the first time it happens. So everyone can see this is the first time it happens, 1 and 2. Second time it happens, not even the right time to be called. Third time it happens, we're on. The first time you're allowed to take a market order. The first time would have been here. The first time would have been here if you'd have did a 1 minute, maybe a 30-second before, then it's mushed up. I don't know. Does everybody see the first time this changes to green and the first time one of these changed to green, you can do a market order. You cannot do a market order after that. You have to do a rules entry. Damn, TikTok never took me out. Hold on, I'm going to stop this. I didn't even notice I was walking so long. I'm over an hour and 20 minutes. Wow. So the first time, according to the rules, it hasn't even been released yet, but I already have the rules out there for you inside your rooms. Okay? So the very first time, that's when you can do a market order. Let me see if we can do a playback on this. Hold on. I don't know if we'll catch this first time right there. I doubt it. Let's see if we can get it though. There it is. Okay. Oops. Let me do that again. Good. Beautiful. All right. So the very first time, let's go ahead and play it back. Let's go ahead and watch. When this pops up over here and this changes the green for the first time, you can do a market order right here. Ah, that was a robbery. We got robbed. No, I'm not losing that. That's not right. But at any rate, that's fine. We would do a market order, so there's no way. Hold on a second. Let's do that again. I'm not losing that. We have to go down to like the 30 minute to catch it. Well, hell, 10 minute, 5 minutes to catch that. Okay, we're going to put a sell in. Boop. This is going to be our play now. Watch. Oh, shit. Damn, grab that fucker. Damn. Anywho, so that's our trade. There it is going down. You put it right when the first line pops up, or you wait for one of these to change again. So let's take a look. I don't know if it's going to show it. I don't know if it'll pull it through. Yeah, 8 hours of reading the rules would help. It really would. Yeah, we got to get you up to date signals too. I don't know if it's going to show these other signals. Fuck. I might have to drop down to like a 5 minute. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. Hold on, let's take this one. All right. Yeah, I didn't show them. Fudge. I'll have to go down. But at any rate, the signal that he's talking about, the very first time it happens with blue line going down, pink line going up is here. He could have taken market orders then. He could have taken it on the first time this M came up. Abso-fucking-lutely. He would have made money on both those market orders. After that, the second time, Anthony, and anyone else learning, you can't take the trade just when it's called. It still made money, still went down, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't matter. You need to do what's called a rules entry trade. So if you didn't catch the first time when this happened, yeah, the logo, absolutely, Glada, that's correct. I don't only just read them daily. Yeah, that's why I was shocked it wasn't in there, but I'm working on 3 sets of rules, so trying to combine them into one. All right, so, I mean, all I can tell you is the first time, yes. Second time, if you're counting this as your second time, yes, you could take market entry. This very first time with the machine gun signal, you'll eat a lot. You're going to have a lot of drawdown. If you wait for these, you should have very little drawdown. But either of those, obviously, in the money, in huge money. Even the trade that he tried taking incorrectly, he shouldn't have taken it unless it follows the rules. So if we go down, I think that was that a 1 minute he kept harping about? It's a 1 minute sell. It's a 1 minute sell. It's a 1 minute sell. Okay, here. Let's go to... yeah. Here. All right, so let's go to the 1 minute charts then. Oh boy, if we can find it. Here we go. All right. So this is his trade. This is the second time things have happened. And this is the trade. Okay. So if he's following the rules, he can't enter the trade with a blue line high on a sell. It just can't happen. The blue line has to be low. The pink line would come down to it. So you can't take this trade as a sell. So that would have negated his sell in the first place if he followed the rules. Okay. So you couldn't have taken this trade. I don't know if he's back yet or not. You just can't keep arguing. You can't keep saying your same stuff over and over, Anthony. So if this is the case, this is your entry line right here. This is the 1 minute chart. This isn't a sell stop on the sniper. That's why the sniper stops you from entering in so many bad trades. It's an incredible tool. It's a life-changing tool. This would stop you. It's in the rules. Rule 1, just go up here. It's not even in the fine print rules. This is big-ass rules. 2 rules. Step 1, this is if it's a buy. So it has to be high sniper blue line for a buy. That means it has to be a low. You have to reverse everything. A low sniper line for a sell. This is not a low sniper blue line. This is high. So you couldn't have taken this trade if you followed the rules. So let's go back to the basics again. Let's just start from the first so that when he comes back, he'll be happy and everybody will be happy as a pig in mud. Let's take a look. This is your hourly chart. That, I'm going to scooch over here. This, and by the way, the first hourly sell for NAS is right here. Just so we're clear. Look at how much he would have been up, but whatever. This is his call that he made. The very first time the signal called out a sell was here. I'm not even counting that. This blue line coming down was the first time in this series that he's in. This is the second time. Good morning, Tony. Morning, Tony Flesh. Okay. So again, this is wrong. This is the second time. If it's the second time, you can't do market order entries. You can only do your rules entries. The rules state things. So he was trying to do a 1 minute sell all night long. It's calling for a sell and it went up 100%. You're so backwards. You're just wrong. I mean, I hate to say people, oh, don't call people wrong. Well, he's fucking wrong. Simple as that. He just needs to understand, and it's new and he's learning, but his attitude is, I don't know on that, Anthony. You got to kind of chill, bro. Look, first signal sell obviously made a shit ton of money. Second hourly signal sell. I'm counting this as the first because in our row of what he's doing, blue line low, pink line high. Then it goes blue line low, pink line high. Then we're doing it again. Blue line low, pink line high. So this is the second time. That orange line is the signal he keeps harping about. And I hope now when he comes up, and when he comes back, he'll realize that was completely the wrong way to trade the signal service. Yeah, he better be in demo mine. It's the only way you're allowed to use my system, right? So why on earth, I don't know. I mean, he's so adamant about it. It's just crazy. He's interpreting things 100% backwards. So if you look at your 1 hour, boop, boop. Yep, that's why I insist all of you have your sniper. You're like, oh, why do you make us pay for the $150 a month sniper plus the signal cost? Just for this reason. Just for this fucking reason. He tried to enter a trade when it was at the bottom. Right, Jan, that's correct. Snipers never die and snipers never lie. So, right. So he tried to take a sell on the 1 hour here, and it can work, and it's going to go down, and he would have made money, even incorrect as he was still would have made money on this trade. But that's not the point. He should have never entered the trade. The very first time this happens, that's why I say the first is the best, and that's why I allow market order entry on the first time. Because the first time it happens, whether it's your H1 sniper, machine gun, or the M3, M1, and 32nd Hydra entries, either way, you could have taken a market order back here. You can't take a market order back here. Oh, what's up, Anthony? Do you get what I'm saying now, Anthony? And I know it's all new, and I know everybody's getting confused, and it's all brand new. But when you follow the rules, that's why and people are like, well, you're just trying. No, we have the sniper to avoid all this. It doesn't, this isn't the sell. This isn't a sell. This isn't a sell. These are sells. These are aftermarket sells. Again, if you're going to catch any of them, I would have probably took these right here because this would have been your second, third time. What's up, Tank Dog? Correct. You will get some correct Lydex. But now this is our 1 hour NAS. This is good. I mean, this is good. We're learning, right? So this is it. Blue line low, pink line high. Blue line low, pink line high, number 2. No, it is not. But yes, you can purchase only, you can go here. Hold on, I don't want to tell them it's not. You can go over here, you can buy the system for $575, and you can do what's called a totally optional add-on, the Sniper, for $150 a month. Yes, you can do that. That is correct. So I guess if you want to do just the Sniper add-on after you buy system. By the way, let's be clear on something here, guys. All of this that you're seeing is inside of what? Let's take a look. What is this right here? It's all inside of a 2-hour buy stop, 3-hour buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, 4-hour, 4-hour buy stop, green, 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 red. So I would suspect anywhere between now and 10:30 this morning, the next 4-hour candle, you'll see things go shooting upward. Or what they might do is drop this down, and then right when they announce FOMC later today, was at 2 o'clock, then you'll see the push up. You'll see it jack straight up. That's probably what they're going to do, actually. I forgot someone said FOMC today. So there you go. So this sell that you're trying to play, this is why this is why you guys got to be careful, because this right here is the sell that was called. You see it? It's right in the middle. Good morning, Jay Parker. It's right in the middle of a 4-hour buy. So all you're doing is playing these little cells, and these little cells keep going. This can keep dropping. Look how it dropped here, dropped there, blah, blah, whatever. But you have to see the bigger picture. This isn't just for Anthony. This is for everybody. You have to be able to see the bigger picture, that the bigger picture is green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. I don't give 2 fucks if at open or at FOMC day, they drop it down like this. All that's doing is giving us a better opportunity to get in down here for our buy. So I will, if I'm around my computer, which, oh yeah, right around 2, I'll be finishing up my training class. I will be finishing up the beginner's training class going into the, I don't know if I'll be on at time for it, but that's what it'll be. So yeah, how cool is that? So there you go. So that's all. There's just a little misunderstanding on how to read the signals. FOMC 2. Okay. I got to call for 2 and ask for something. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. So these 1-minute sells are making a 4-hour buy. The 1-minute sells, 30-second sells, 15-second sells are creating a 4-hour buy. That's all they're doing. So these sells, when they're going down, are creating this little red dot right here. And it's creating a buy. Thank you, Ken Rose, for speaking up. All right. Correct. That's why I'm in a Bitcoin. There you go. Let's look at Bitcoin. Give somebody a fresh perspective. Bitcoin sell. Creating a, well, it's a daily, let me see. It's a daily, weekly buy. Yeah. So there you go. I'm assuming his Ethereum has dropped too then, because it needs to. It needs to come down here. So this would be, so if I was going to buy Bitcoin and re-enter Bitcoin, which I don't usually read Bitcoin because you guys should have listened to what I was telling you, it's 26,500. Nope, not there. We got to go here. Nope, let it come back down to here. Look at that. 1 minute. So we got to turn those off. All right. So right here, let me see monthly. Yeah, see, it's too far away. Daily, I'm assuming Ethereum must be following suit. Not as much. See, I would like this Ethereum. See, it's not even a daily yet. It's a 12-hour. It's not bad. Yeah. This is what I would like. See, instead of putting my buy line here for Ethereum, let's have Ethereum come all the way, do our logo, come right back down to here to this yellow line. It may or may not. It may or may not come. I like to go between the channel, technically. 1 time here, 2 time here, and so on. I'm going to have to delete this. I made this thing up, but if I grab anything, see it moves at all. I can't use this line. I'm going to have to take this one out. Larry, where did I have that buy on Ethereum at? Because I don't want to misplace the line. I tried to be smart and put in my the whole thing. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. 3306 or something, was it? 3305. Something like that, I think. ETH is dropping, thank you. I don't remember where I put that line though, but I think it was here. Let me go maybe down to a daily. I see. I think it was 3305 or 6 was the buy on that. I'll just leave it there, but whatever. All right. So yeah, we gotta. It's best. Let me rephrase this. It can turn here. That's fine. It can turn. It's just best. See our logo first time here, logo second time here. It's got to at least approach this yellow line a little bit more, preferably go between here. So I'll readjust this buy line as this drops, and I will bring it down, hopefully somewhere down in here. Oh, shit. I just made that fucking thing up. Somewhere around there, wherever that was. All the way down to here. And if it'd be really good for us and generous, we'll see it dip all the way down into our channel. That's supposed to be the technical time we call a buy, but I always push it and allow people to go in earlier. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, it's a little further along in the process, a little closer to its yellow. It's forming its gap. First time was the best time right here. Now you're on the second time. So when the second time arches up, I would literally wait until you see it. Correct, Tony. Anthony. So whenever lower time frame signals have to form. No, you do not. No, you missed the whole point of what I said. Let's go back to the 1 hour and help Tony out here real quick. Oh. This is what I'm telling you, Tony. You don't have to confirm shit. When the signals are issued for the first time here, okay? When they first are issued here, this is the orange line is your one that you kept harping on, to Anthony. This is your signal you kept. It's wrong. It's wrong. The reality is the very first signals that went out were here. Your hourly you could have took when this changed to green. You could have took and should have took any of the first time these turned to green. It's only the first time. This is your first time. This is your second time. Then you try taking a signal that was at the very bottom and not following the rules. If this is the second time here, which this is, you can clearly, what do I mean by second time? Blue line low, pink line high 1. Blue line low, pink line high 2. Blue line low, pink line high 3. So you were trying to do a sell the second time. If you're trying to do a sell the second time, you have to do what's called a rules entry. The rules entry says step 2 rules, step 1, 2 rules, step 2. Says you have to wait for the sniper to be the opposite in the case you were doing, which was low. The blue line had to be low and pink line high. Well, if you go down to your 1 minute, right here, where you decided to take this trade for some unknown reason and still would have made money, by the way, it still turned out profitable, just so we're clear. It's the blue line right here is not low. So this cannot be a sell when the blue line is high. I don't care. It's basic 101. I'll be doing advanced training around 2:15 today. Come on there and ask again, because I've wasted entirely too much time on this. There it is. So when you try to take this signal here, it was the second time. Let me do this. Hold on. Let me see something real quick. No. Where is my, oh, hold on. Watch. Let's do this so that he can get a good idea. we're going to keep the 1 minute here. We're going to go to the 1 hour there. We're going to go to the 1 minute here. And then we're going to go to his trade. This will be nice and easy. Okay. So this is where his trade is. This will make things totally clear to him. If it doesn't, I can't help him anymore. Thanks, Kev, for the refresh. You're welcome. Anthony, here we go. Watch. This is your 1 hour on the right here, okay? This is the blue line. This orange line right here is your trade. This is the 1 minute. You can clearly see, well, a whole bunch of things wrong. But number one is the first time it happened, you're allowed to take your market entry. First time is the best. It says, I've been saying that for 2 years. First time this trade occurs is the best. That's why you could take market entry the first time. Then you can take market entry the first time you see one of these other little things flip. Those are both first. I can live with that. Perfect. You'll make money every time, no problems. This is where you decided to look for the trade. This is the second time. Not only did the signal call out, it was called out very late, and you'd have to minimum follow the rules, the 1-2 rules, right? The 1-2 rules would state this blue line has to be low, and it's not. And it isn't. And you can't take a sell stop on the blue line. These are buy stops, buy stops, buy stops. And you can clearly see not only was it buy stops, it went straight up to the blue line. So it was a buy stop, like an amazing buy stop, and you're looking for the sell. Ugh. That's why the signals are the way the signals are. That's all I can tell you. That's all. You just have to follow basic rule. The first time you can take the trade, the second time you have to follow a rule entry. And if you go to the rules, it is just blatantly not a. This is why I forced you guys. People are, again, why do you make us get the sniper? Why do I have to have the sniper? Sniper is the best thing created in the history of the world, and the signals are all based off of it. 10 months? Oh, Anthony. Yeah, and then follow the right chart time. Again, I don't care whatever is happening. How do I word this? I don't care whatever Eastern, Western, Mountain specific time frames. You have to have your chart set to this. It just has to. Yeah, UTC +3. And that's exactly why this says this. Because we had too many people trying to tell us, oh, I'm on Mountain Specific, or I'm on blah, blah, blah time. We can't help everybody. So it's set to these time periods, period. No one else can do anything. I can do my chart time, anything. Okay, Anthony. Well, I'm done. People here are just trying to help you. You do what you want to do. I'm done. Okay. Next. Does anybody else? Hell, have I even read out anything else? I don't know if I don't think I've called out everything. I think we got kind of sucked into a vortex right there. Let's see. We'll go ahead and close that off. Raise this up. All right. Now, by the way, that was just another 1 minute sell stop. That's a 1 minute sell stop. So you guys can keep, let me see my things. You guys can keep, you're welcome, Anthony. Let me see US 30. Holy shit. Hold on. US 30. Hell yeah. Play any 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stop to the US 30 1 minute blue line. By all means. Play any NAS, SPX, US 30 sell stop to the US 30 1 minute blue line. By all means. Then later on, not now. Then later on, not now, look for a 4 hour. Hold on, let me write this shit out. Hold the fuck on, because I swear on all that's holy, I'm not going to hear this shit no more. Let's write this all out so that we can be blatantly in people's faces. No one can complain. All right, what do we have? Short term. Let's do this. 15 second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stops towards US 30 1 minute blue line. Okay. And then that's fine. Stay in those trades. Then my faves 4-hour NAS SPX buy stops. US 30's already made too much money. There's nothing I can do about it. And that's it. So you can do these smaller time frames right here. Can't write it out any clearer. $900. Congratulations, Robel. Yay. What's up, Anthony Villaboza? Whew. Wow. That was an interesting little dive deep that I didn't really want to do this morning, but that's good. I hope it helps some people. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stops towards the US 30 1 minute blue line. Then my phase are the 4-hour SPX NAS buy stops. I'm not saying US 30 won't go up again. We're already up in it. There's no sense of playing US 30 on a buy. NAS, yeah, absolutely. SPX, yeah, absolutely. I suspect if it doesn't happen at 10, it will happen at 2. That's my 2 suspects. I have a feeling they're going to hook down before the FOMC news later today, and then they're going to hook it hard up. That's what I think they're going to do with FOMC. I don't really care at this point. I have 2 long-term trades, 1 SPX, 1 NAS, and I'm testing an AUD USD trade right now. All right. Does everybody understand the call-outs for SPX, NAS, and US 30? Yeses or nos? Here they are. I can't be any clearer. Yep, says Peter P. Yes, says Fly. Pete, we're going to get together. I won't be able to get together today, but I can get together tomorrow with you, sir. So we'll get together and install the new stuff with you. Bag that money, yes. All right, what's up, Jeremy? Whew, all right, so that I already went over gold, already went over US 30, just went over NAS and SPX. Can I go to oil? Let me go to oil. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Yeah. Second time. Now listen to me. First time, let's turn them on. First time. Right. Here you go. First time. Hold on. Let me see. Where's? No. All right. So here we go. The very first time it happened was right here. What happened? Blue line high, pink line low. The very first time. This is, oh shit. Hold on. This is on the 4 hour. We got to go down to 1 hour. Sorry. Here it is. There we go. On the 1 hour. This is the very first time it happened. Uno number 1. You want me to draw it out? Write it out for you? Number 1. Doop, doop, doop. Can I draw it? And then doop. Okay, I'm a horrible drawer. This is number 1. Okay? The second time it happens is here. So let's take a look. This is number 2. Third time here. Fourth time. Oh, it's not even really a fourth. Can't really count that one. Sorry, let me cut that one off there. All right, because it switched. So it had it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. What am I talking about? The very first time the pink line came down, you can see our buy stops. You can take the market order when it's turned green. Boom. You could have took it the first time the 30-second popped in. Boom. Both market execution orders. July 14th, Robel. Good morning, Mike Snyder. You're welcome, Annie. All right. So this is the very first time it happened on oil. But now we're not only just in our second, in our third, now we're no longer even in a fucking 1 hour buy. This isn't even a, well, it is a 1 hour buy. the system's reading it as a 1 hour sell because it's in the middle of the sell. But the reality of it is, if you go up to your 4 hour, you'll see, let me turn off this one, because you have to put your right freedom indicator on the right daily. Fuck, hold on. I don't even know which one to turn on anymore because Keith has renamed these. So this should be the one though. Let's take a look. So now we're going to read. Right, here we go. So now we're going to see a, let me get rid of these two while we're at it. Oops, hold on. And over here, back to it. All right. Now what we're reading right here is a sell stop. This is a 1 hour sell stop according to the sniper. Okay. But you can clearly see we're in the middle of a buy. So this is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. And that's why you see what you see. Now you're going to see second time, pink line low, blue line high for oil. So I'm going to say right here, as this comes up for the second time right here, when it will, it's going to do this. Matter of factly, 100% matter of fucking factly, I remember calling this last week, 2 weeks ago, last week. I remember calling this as the pink line came up for the first time to take any buy stops on the way up. Anybody here remember that? Here's your one. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. There's your 1 hour buy stop. Fuck this shit. See the 1 hour buy stop right here? Is this visible on TikTok? Yeah. This is visible. This right here, 1 hour buy stop, was called out last week. And look at my 1 hour buy stop. It went straight up. The very first time it happened right here, let me be clear. Look, the very first time this happened, look at it go up. Wow, holy fucking shit. Yeah, some people, I got to keep teaching. I understand that, but then there's got to be some common sense involved with some of you. There really has to be. July 14th for about, yes. Good morning, Kim the Camel Entry Lady. Yes, I remember. Thank you, Greg. This is going to be a great reference video for everyone entering new. I think there's something I was missing. Thanks for watching. You're welcome, Damien. So you could thank Anthony for that too, because normally I don't dive deep into shit like that because it takes an hour, 2 hours, and I lose everybody and everyone gets bored and they leave. But that's what it is. So this is the first time, the best. We called it. As it rose up, you take your buys. Second time's fine. Now you're on what's called a sell, but this is the middle of a buy. So this can't be correct. So this blue line right here, watch, it'll be high. See this? So now you're in the middle of a 4 hour buy. So now what I'm going to say is, let's look right here. Let's go right there. I'm going to make this call. We can call it right. I would like to see, this is where I get pissed, because I'm going to put the line here, but I'm going to tell you all the fact. If this dips down further, I'm going to move, or should be able to move this line down to here, because that's rule number 7 of our specific rules. I can't just leave it here, but because I'll forget about it, and because I'll be whatever, oh, what about this one? And you said that one. God, I swear to God, people out there. So this is going to be a 4 hour oil buy stop, and I'm going to move it down if necessary on 6/24/24. Okay? So with that in mind, here's my next buy. It already happened down here. I'm going to go ahead and call another one. But as this moves down, I'm going to go ahead and move my line down with it. I hope I'm clear on that. So there it is. So that's what I'm looking at. When this pink starts coming up, the sniper will start calling out more trades on the buys like it did here. Let's take a look, for instance, show you. Let's go down to our lower time frames, maybe this one. There they are. See? And there they go. So watch. This right here. And they don't miss. That's why I was so adamant with Anthony. There's no fucking way these signals are going to be called out wrong. They will not be called out wrong. Cannot, will not, never will be called out wrong. Why is it not calling all the rest of those? Oh, I'm on the wrong time frame. Let me see if I can get some more out of there for you. So it would be from here forward. Let me just make this line so we don't miss it. From here forward. From here forward. Okay. Let's see what we see. Yeah. See, here they are. See all that? Look. So if we go back from the 4 hour, which is this line right here, you know what? Fuck that shit. Hold on. We're opening up 2 charts. Do I have time? Are we getting close to the market open? Because I don't want to miss calling out everything for you guys. All right. So we're going to put the 4 hour here or over here. Just watch how simple this system is. Easiest shit on earth. So from here, here, right here. So we would have our first call outs here. Okay. So watch. This is going back. Okay. This is going back to the 4 hour chart over here. This is the first time. Can we see everything on TikTok? I believe you can. I'll make sure. Right here. Blue line high, pink line low. When you see this setup, right here, when you see this setup, you wait. You wait for the, watch, I'll play this back for you. Maybe. I talk big, but who knows if this fucking thing ever works. I swear I have time. Let's try. Should come up really quick. There it is. We do a buy, okay? This is oil. I don't know what a number of buys is, but let's just put a shit ton on there. We're going to do a buy, okay? The line popped up. Look at our green. This is for Anthony and everybody else out there. Please listen. You can do a market order the very first time this happens after this drops. You can do a market order. It's been called out. You can do it. You'll have a lot of drawdown sometimes. So I'd wait for the 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minutes to pop up. If they do or not, I don't know. Let's just go ahead and play this forward. Let's move it at a ×3. Okay. Here's our money. There's our money. There it is. And there it is. See, if they're the green again, we can do it again. I don't think it's calling out. We're not low enough time frame. And then it did it again. So the very first time, everybody, you can take your market orders. Every time after that, you have to wait. Look at the money. You have to do what's called rule orders. Simple as that. And there you go. And that's what your trade is. If I'm not showing this correctly, I don't know what more I can do to show you how it looks. It's that easy the very first time. Now we're on our second time. So now we're doing a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop for the second time on U.S. oil, UK and U.S. oil, by the way. You can do both. All right. Hope that helped. I love the playback when it works. It's fantastic when it works. So now what? Well, this is our 1 hour, 4 hour. So I called the 4 hour for you, wrote it out, drew it out. EA8851. All right, cool. Now let's go down to the lower time frame, see what oil's doing. And this is it. Correct, Jason Roby. 100. It could take forever for this shit to happen. Oh, it called out a 1 hour buy, and that 1 hour buy could take you fucking months to get to. All right, let's see. 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Yeah. Play any 15-second through 5 minute sell stop, U.S. oil, back down to its 5 minute blue line, forming a. So play any sell stop on U.S. Oil to the 5 minute blue line, forming a 2 hour already formed, forming a 4 hour, like I said, 4 hour buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, U.S. oil. All correct calls, all going to be correct. It's all accurate. If I don't get a lot of people from YouTube to TikTok, I'll be closing down YouTube in about 10 minutes. I need a lot of you go from YouTube to TikTok. EUR USD. This ought to be fucking fun. Nothing on the... So we don't have separation here. We don't have blue line high, pink line low. This is your sell. We don't have anything. So I'm going to go ahead and go up and look. Nope. Nope. It's going to be a buy somewhere. Yeah. It's a 12 hour. It's a daily. Oh, it hasn't finished though. Fuck, it hasn't gone down low enough. All right, let's go down to the 15 second and see what I can find then. We already hit the, yep, 15 second. I'm sure, yeah, we're past that. All right. I don't want to say anything, but when I said 15-second buy stop towards 1 minute blue line, just saying. Now, I don't know what day this was. Pretty damn good call, though. All right, let's keep going. 3 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. What the fuck, man? This thing's on fire. All right, let's see. Play any, you're too late for all this, by the way. Play any 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10-minute buy stop that forms. Let it pull back and then hook up and go towards this 15-minute blue line. Watch. This is what it's going to do. It's going to form our logo right here, hook and come back up. Whether it hits the 15-minute blue line is irrelevant. That's what it's going to do. It's going to hook, come back down to this yellow line, and come right back up again. Forming a EURUSD. Forming a 3 hour? Hold on. Forming a 3 hours. It's going to come up some more. Yeah, it's going to come up some more. 3 hour, so it's a 3 hour sell stop. Sell stop, yeah. Forming a weekly, monthly sell stop. Well, actually daily, weekly, monthly sell stop. You can see what it's playing like. Now, actually, because we're going to get some extra play out of here, watch. Oh, I don't know if we're going to get that push like I want on that daily, though, to back up there again. It might. I'll play it later on. All right. So that's ERUSD down to the 15-second chart. UDSHF is the complete opposite. GBB JPY. GBB JPY. All right, let's see. 1 hour. I don't even know. Remember I told you these buys? Buy stop 12 hour. This is my buy stop 12 hour. Do you see it? I don't remember what day it was, but probably right here on June the 14th or 15th. I'm so glad that we can label these things in TradingView. There is a good point with it. GBB 12-hour buy stop. Look, from the time I told you to take this trade on demo only, $291 pips. Wow. Absolutely insane. 291 pips. Unless Jan corrects this down to 29, but that's 291. I'm positive on that one. Jan's so smart. GBB JPY, I called this 12-hour buy, and look what it did. Why did I call a 12-hour buy? Let's take a look. Boom. Pink line came down. Go down to the 7-hour. Watch what that looks like. Oh, hold on. We're going to have to. Well, hold on. Let me open up 2 charts to show you. So we're going to put our 12-hour here. Okay. And then we're going to put our, let's do a 1 hour from here. Okay. So from here. And then this is your 12-hour. So watch what happens. I think we have a thunderstorm brewing. Holy shit. So from here, nope, it's going to take like a 15-minute evidently. Yeah, here's your 15-minuters, okay? So watch. As the blue line's high on your pink line low, buy stop on GBB JPY. From here on, watch. You're going to see. Let me see if I can flip this one on now. We need the freedom indicator. We need the, I don't know what, not the weekly, definitely not the weekly. Yeah, this will probably do. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put a line over here. So from this forward is when the buys come in. See right here? Look at that shit. Look at that fucking shit. Does anyone understand what they're witnessing? Wow, that's fucking cool as fuck. Take a look. Let me go ahead and zip this forward a little bit. Okay. So look at this. All these little blue lines, the very first time this turns, okay, to green, all you do is wait for one of these other ones to turn to green. The very first time. You can do a market order the very first time. Pop, there's our line. This is what it is. That orange line here is the orange line there. These are your blue lines, your buys, the very first time it happens. And of course, up she goes. Okay? So watch. We can do maybe do our playback here. I'm on the 15-minute. It should catch these, but we'll see. Okay. So we're going to go from here. I'm going to manually do it. Oh, yeah, it looks like it's catching some. Maybe not these. So I'm going to go ahead and put a buy order in here because I don't see anything catching. We're going to go ahead and play it back. And every time you can do rule entry orders. Here's one. You can follow the rules, the two rules every time. See the green right here? Here's your price. Watch the green. Watch these pop. There should be a ton more popping. The very first time the green pulls up with the 30-second or 1-minute green, you can enter in. You should have very little drawdown if you wait for that. Here's another one. You can do another buy, rules entry, meaning wait for the hook, everything. Here's your money. Waiting for it again. So now it went back. Watch. So when this flips now, this time, this will be the second time. Actually, fourth time, my bad. So you can do another rule entry if you wanted. You can wait for the two rules that are in our rules program. And then you can wait for it to go again. Then you'll see these start to flip. But I don't think it's picking up those for some reason. I don't know why. Again, your money. And this is all from the time period where I told you to do your 12-hour buy. This is what your 12-hour buy could have been done on. Just saying. And this is what I told. There's another time if you want to do the rules on a buy. We can do another buy. This is the 5th time it's happened. So it's no longer if you have after the first time you have to follow our rules. Look at your money. Can't even see the fucking money go. Look at it. Here's your money. And that's it. You just follow. There it is again. There's a number one. You could literally do a market order if you wanted. There it is. Now it's not picking up these smaller time frames because I have to be down there. There it is. It doesn't matter how much the money is. It's the win rate that you want to worry about. And the win rate was 100%. There's no misses. Simple as that. Okay. So, that's GBP, JPY. Fuck. Feels like I've been 20 minutes on each symbol instead of 2 seconds when I whip through them. Wow. Ethereum. We kind of went over that earlier. Let's do it for Larry. Ethereum. 1 hour. Gee whiz. Let's see. Did our signal service call out a 1 hour sell stop? 1 hour sell here. First time, second time, third time. The very first time, you could have did a sell on Ethereum at 35.25, and it went down to 32.50, almost $300 a coin, right? But this is forming a higher time frame something or other. There's your 4 hour sell. Let's go up to daily. It's forming a buy. So right now it's showing a 12 hour, I think it was. Yeah, 12 hour buy. You can run it off of there. But I reserve the right, according to rule number 7, to move this down as it comes down, because I really prefer it to come down to its weekly line down here. This is what I should do. Fuck all this shit. You want me to get cranky about things? I should put it down here minimum. This is where I put my buy stop, which you could put a, oh fuck, what's the opposite of the buy stop? It's a buy put, a buy, they call it something else. Whereas if it comes down here and touches, it will automatically do the buy. I wait for the market to reverse to come back up to us, but this is where it's going to come down to, somewhere right around here. When it does that, I'm going to have my buy and hook right back in again on it. Buy limit. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you, Jan. Jan, you're on top of everything, woman. Buy limit. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you, Jan. Okay. So this is your buy limit, if you want to call it, but I'm not going to do that. I hate doing those. I wait for the market to flip and turn around and come back up to us. I don't chase the market. The market comes to me, or I don't take the fucking trades. That's just my opinion. Why doesn't it say Ethereum, by the way? Hold on. Didn't I write this out? This is going to end up, I want this to be a weekly buy stop. I want it to go down to that line. Today is the 24th. 6/24/24. Oh, Ethereum. Okay. Yeah, and then we'll wait for here. Now, if it hooks and comes up sooner, I'll make my adjustment then. I'll pull this back up. Because right now, this is what I like it to go to, but realistically, I would probably put it right here and wait. $3,459.90 Ethereum buy stop, and just sit here and wait. That's how I'd look at it anyways. All right. Ethereum short term. Ethereum, oh shit. Ethereum short term, we are too late to play any of those fast ones. Yeah, we're fucked. What the fudgicles? Oh, play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop. What it's going to do on Ethereum is this. Ethereum is going to hook. Ethereum is going, yeah, it's starting to rain here. Ethereum is going to hook, come down, touch, arch up, come back down and hook and do that. That's what that's an arrow, by the way. That's what Ethereum is going to do. It's going to come down, touch the blue line, hook, and come back up 2 hour. Play any 15-second through 1 hour sell stop to the 2 hour blue line on a ricochet. It's going to arch up first and then come back down. Okay, I'll be... Baby boppers, baby boppers. How much time do I have? Oh, shit, not much. All right. So that's Ethereum. That's enough. XRP's buy stop monthly. All right. Wow, listen to that rain. You guys can barely hear it, too. It's storming outside. Woohoo! All right. Okay. I'll be back in just a minute or two or three. I'll be right back. I'll be here for open, though. Give me about 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, something like that. I'll be right back. That's fucking storming like shit outside. da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let's see. Short term, 15 minutes, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute sell stop towards the US 30 blue line. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I wonder when I wrote this. Gosh darn it. I'm going to have to start writing the time periods I wrote this down. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say the sell stop on NAS made you money since I called it. The sell stop on SPX made you money since I called it. Sell stops on US 30 have made you money since I called it. I would still play those trades and then wait for the Friday. They might drop this, like I said, all morning long until they announce FOMC. Then they're going to jack it up. That's what I think. Johan, that US 30 sell stop. Yay! Looks like it's working out nicely, Coach. This is Jay Parker. Nice. Oh, sounds like hell, too. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's storming. I don't know how we have internet, actually. Bring me the money, says Larry. Awesome. All right. TikTokers, YouTubes, any questions before we get into the nitty and gritty of the market open here? I heard, so there's no FOMC news at 2 o'clock today? Or is that tomorrow? So there's no FOMC news at 2? So I thought someone said that. My fault. My bad. My mistake. Yeah, in the one house we have here, we have a metal roof. Yep, I did call gold this morning in detail too. What's up, Mike Snyder? 1 minute ricochet buy stop back to the blue line. Gold. 1 minute blue line. Gold, 15 second, 30 second. Play any 15 second, 30 second buy stop back to the 1 minute blue line gold. Sell stop. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Sell stop. 15 minute. 15 minute. 1 hour sell stop. I love the 15 minute 1 hour sell stop. Ricochet back to the blue line gold. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That's your short-term gold. Personally, I'm in the buy on a buy stop, daily buy stop gold right here. That's what I prefer. But all the other stuff will happen accordingly. It all go. Da, da, da. You're already in the money on the buy. It was called right here. You're in the money on the buy gold that I just called out to the 1 minute blue line on the ricochet. Da, 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 da. I just called it again for you, Mike. You should be good enough on that. All right. We have 10 minutes for market open, 11 minutes for market open. Any questions, concerns, comments? I spent like an hour and a half trying to help one of our members out on the signal service. The signal service is very exact. You have to follow the simple rules. First time, best time. First time, you get to do market orders. Anytime, any signal after that, you can only do rule order entries. First time. Next time, there won't be a next time. Next time, there won't be a next time. All right. US 30. Yeah, I'm sticking with this. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. Sell stops, market open, unless we hit the blue line on US 30. Market open, sell stop, NAS, SPX, US 30, unless it hits it before then. And then my faves are still those 4-hour NAS's buys. I love me those buys. Now I'm going to readjust this buy right here, and we're going to relabel it. I'm going to put it right down here. And we are going, hold on, wait, why did you say that? Oh, that's 621? Yeah. That's what we're going to do. We're relabeling this till today, 624, because I don't want to hear it from any putz asses that don't readjust Rule 7. So this is 624 buy, and we're not putting it here. We're putting it way down here, wherever that fucking thing is. I don't even know what this one is. We're going to remove it. And that's my NAS, what it looks like. This is the first time the other day. This is the current one today right here on top. SPX is going to be done the same way. SPX, I'm moving it down to adjust where it should be, right here. Buy, stop, 4-hour daily, 4-hour daily buy. But see, I personally would prefer, if it would give us the niceness what I want, to form our logo. I would really prefer price action. Comes from here, hooks. The first time is the best. Then I hope it hooks down again like this and comes up. So I hope it doesn't engage our buy stops. I hope it keeps dropping until we see, let me draw it all out for you guys, till the purple line comes down like this on the daily. And then it will hook back up again on the daily. But I don't always get what I want. So I'm calling it this time and this day. Remember, this is a living organism. I'm calling, there's some thunder. I'm calling a buy. I hope you stay online. I hope it breaks too by the time I have to do my training later today. So there you go. That's what I'm calling. 4-hour daily buys. 4-hour NAS SPX are my favorites. 15-second, 1 minute, 30-second sell stop towards the one. You already made a shit ton of money on those sells. I don't want to hear it. I know for a fact you guys made a lot of money on those. So you're good on those sells. We can get that to pull down just a little bit more. That would be nice. So I want it to fall. See, got to wait for this pink to hook back up again. See, when they both rose up was your beautiful one right there. This was the perfect one. When you do your sell stops, you want all three to be up. So hopefully these rise back up. We have 7 minutes to market open. 7 minutes to market open. Any short-term questions for market open? Love the way you lie, Eminem. I know, isn't it an awesome song? That's why they call it a window pane. Now, Bree knows every word of that song, my wife, and she can sing it faster than he can sing it, but she's just talented like that. I'm not. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Oh, 1400 hours EST FOMC news. So Mike News Link. Oh, okay, Mike, was that you, buddy? I believe you. I don't know. Someone said there wasn't. You don't think there's any news this week? I'll go back and look. I mean, I hope there isn't any news, but if Michael Big, a.k.a. Big Pippa, is saying FOMC 1400. 1400 is 2 o'clock our time, right? 1400. Let me see my little conversion thing here. $1,400. 7 a.m.? Oh, I must be still doing something wrong. 2 p.m. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, Big Michael, a.k.a. Big Pippin. Thank you, Michael. All right. Let these pull up. I don't know if we're going to get a full pull up. Let it pull up a little bit more, and then we'll do a sell stop again. Let US 30 pull up a little bit more, and we'll catch the next pull down. Might be at open. They might yank this up at open. That'd be nice. 6 minutes to market open. Called out everything in too much detail this morning, way in too much detail in my book. But we did what we did. Okay, anybody on TikTok have any questions? I'm allowing people to stay on YouTube this time. I'm just not in the mood to ban you all, or not ban you, to take down YouTube. So I'm gonna leave it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, US 30 at open. This is what I expected to do. Hook up. Whoopsie, that's not what I wanted. I want US 30 to hook up, come, hook back down, touch its blue line. That's what I want US 30 to do. I wish I can label these things. Fuck. There's no way to label this. Well, this is US 30. All right. Next, for NAS. Well, I kind of want the same exact thing. Sell stop NAS off the yellow line. Sell stop NAS. And then I still insist upon the buy. This is no longer this should be a 4-hour buy. Yeah. This is now turning into a 4-hour, and this needs to be dropped down some. There. Buy stop NAS, 4-hour. So I'd like a little bit more of a hook on the, I'm only going to call US 30. I want US 30 to dip. NAS can do and SPX can do whatever they want. SPX looks great, by the way. If I had to gather out of between NAS and SPX, believe it or not, I'm going to choose SPX. I don't usually choose SPX, but I'm going to choose it. Now, this is the problem. Do not play open. Market opens too fucked up for most of you, happens too fast. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. How many times before it quit going up? You follow what I'm saying? So you can stay in these cells, lock in your cells. We have 3 minutes to market open. Put your big boy and girl pants on because market's about to get fast and furious. Don't trade this if you cannot move fast. Listen to my call outs very fast. We have 4-hour buy stops in place. We're already in the money on our sell stops. Lock in profit on your sells. You're already ready, waiting to go on your NAS and SPX buys. US 30 sell to the 1-minute blue line. Sell, 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 US 30. I'd put it right below where it is. Let it come to you. Do not play market open. Demo trade only. You must always demo trade. Oh, shit. I got to put something up here. I forgot. And then move fast and furiously when this shit starts to happen. It's going to be crazy. Crazy. How does your garden grow? Not a financial advisor. Didn't have this up this morning. Sorry about that. All right. Sell US 30. If you want to do the buys on NAS and SPX instead, then just sit there and wait. Chill. Sell stop. Hold on a second. Someone complained, oh, you're not trading live because I'm doing fucking 15,000 other fucking things. Hold on. Drive me crazy. How does your garden grow? All right. Buy on NAS and SPX. Buy on NAS and SPX. I'm not going to call the buy on US 30. I'm not doing it. Just wait. And if it doesn't happen, that's fine. And then we're going to there we go. Okay. Now I'm set in with my buys and sells. Market open. We're already in a US 30. Whoa, this is in the way. We're already in a US 30 buy anyways. It doesn't matter to us. Can't touch it. Just stay in your US 30 sells unless you've been hacked out. We're already in a US 30 buy. I'm not touching it again. NAS. Damn, that NAS is still going to go down. Fuck. SPX buy. That NAS is still a sell. God dang fuck. NAS, sell it open. It's literally a sell stop. I have to call it. NAS, sell it open. There's your NAS sell. I hated to call that. NAS sell stop in the money. Let me see US 30. US 30 sell stop. US 30 sell stop. If you got in where I did, you're in the money on that US 30 sell. So you could take your money and close that down. SPX, I'm not calling a sell. Not calling a sell on SPX. NAS sell, made money. SPX buy, I would just wait on the 2 hour, 4 hour for a buy on SPX. Don't play a sell on SPX. You can if you want. I'm not doing it. NAS sell is fine. US 30 is a sell 1 minute. You're already in the money on that trade if you took it. NAS is a sell. SPX is a buy. SPX buy. Not quite engaged yet. See, yeah, I told you that NAS sell just didn't sit well with me. I just don't like it. You could take it if you want. The US 30, I still like the sell. You're in the money on your US 30. You're in the money on your US 30 sell. Go ahead and close down one position, keep one open. You're in the money on the US 30 sell. I told you the US 30. That one I was very comfortable with. US 30 sell. US 30 sell. Keep one open. I'm going to close one of mine down. NAS buys in the money. US 30 sells in the money. There you go. There you go. Take your money out of that. You should take your money out, close one down. The minimum you made was from here to here. You just made 39 pips on US 30 from here to here. Close the trade down. NAS and SPX are both buys. I can't do the NAS. I said it. We did it for a second or two. I'm not holding into that trade. NAS buy, definitely SPX buy. Out of the two of those, I really, 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 really like SPX better. I just like SPX. I think you're just going to say, I think they're both going to go up, but I just think you can get a better entry on SPX and stuff. I just like that one better. NAS buy is in the money on the one. And then the US 30 sell, let's see. Have we hit the blue line yet? I'm just going to hang around. Yep, there we go. Close one order of US 30 down. Keep one order open. Let's see how low we can get this sucker to go. Can we get US 30 down to the blue line or at least closer to it? I don't think this is close enough. I think US 30 is going to go down towards that blue line a little bit more. I won't be looking at comments, anything right now. I want to just get this trade done right. There you go. In the money again on US 30 sell. Look at this shit. Drop before your very eyes. 42 pips made. 42 pips made. Oh boy, here we go. That's your money. This is your money one right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now the NAS buy, I'm sure it's making you money too, but this US 30 is just gorgeous. This is why it's just too good. The sniper, I mean, this has just been crazy. Yeah, this is a perfect trade. This is it. There it is. You're seeing why I love the system so much. Close down one demo order of US 30. You can keep one open if you want. Lock in profit. Put it right here. I'm up $78. That NAS must be going up. Let me see. Yeah. So I'm on my buy NAS. I closed down both my US 30s. I only have my longer term and this one short term right here. That's my my NAS from this morning. There's my NAS, 624. I'm going to go ahead and probably even close that one down. I don't need the money on that particular trade. There's your 1 hour buy stop in the money. And by the way, who the fuck was saying that? Oh, I'm not going to pick them anymore. Yeah, no, there's your NAS buy, just so we're clear. Some people crack me the fuck up. The system called. The system blah, blah, blah. Oh, God. What I deal with. Okay, let's see if we hit that 1 minute. Nope, not yet. Keep your stop loss right, or take profit right here. You should be in the money no matter what. How does your garden grow? With cocktails and smelly smells all in a row. I'm about to head out of here. Couple more minutes, guys. I'm going to leave. I'm going to check your questions. Kim Hart. Thank you, Kim. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? You guys all should have made money on those media call-outs that I made. US 30 sell is my correct. Yay, Damien. Yay. Nice. Still calling it, by the way. Gold is bingo. I'll have to check that, Jay Parker. Thank you, Raider Trader. She can sing the whole song without reading the lyrics. Oh, yeah. She can sing. She can sing every song ever made that's been popular for the last 5 years, 10 years. Any song, any genre that's been semi-popular, my wife can sing any verse to anything that's ever been recorded. She's amazing. Yes, that is a talent. Like Damien said, Kevin teaching in details prices. I recommend everyone jotting down the day and time he teaches it on this one. Thanks, Bob. Thanks, Bob. Gold bingo, Boppo Bango. Nice, Jay Parker. US 30, yeah, it's making money as we speak. I closed one in very happy. Nice, Damien. NAS flying. Let's run. Nice. Nice. Good job, guys. Glad you guys are making some money. There it is. I was just waiting for this fucking thing to touch. Here are my trades. I'm closing down the one NAS. I have opened a small order on my US 30 sell. And that's it. And I have these other longer term ones. Those are them. And that's it. And that's a US 30 sell to the blue line. I wish we just finished there so I could leave. I'm trying to stall so I can get here, but I got to get going here. All right. So I'll leave you guys with these thoughts in mind. 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute sell stops towards the US 30 blue line. 1 minute blue line have printed money. Then my faves are the 4 hour NAS SPX buy stops. There you go. And that's our money. All right. TikTokers, any questions? YouTubers, any questions? Let me check gold real quick. 30-second, 1 minute buy, it looks like. Yeah. There you go. And yes, this is my daily buy stop on gold that was called. All right. Everybody have a blessed morning. I'll probably see you later this evening. All right. God bless you all. Mood. Paris Hilton accepting. That's too funny. All right. It was an awesome morning. Thank you, Flight 379. Thank you, Greg. All right. God bless. Maybe see you later this evening. All right. See you all a little bit later, Lord willing. Everybody have a great day. Lots of fun. Remember those buys I called out? Remember the cells that are called out. Try to remember everything. All right. See you on TikTok. God bless. Talk to y'all later. YouTubers, gotta go. You too, Damien. Have a blessed day. Fabulous day. Gladix, have a great day. Adam, Jay Parker, Jan, have a great day. Thank you, Jan, for correcting us. Where's my off switch over here? There she blows. All right. Let me get this off of here. See you guys on YouTube.